Look at it. Ow, 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 ow. Come through. Woo. And we're rolling. That's how I feel, girl. I feel like I left a good job down in the city. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm back. You guys know what time it is when you see all this going on. It's a natural hair video, and you guys know I clown, but I'm gonna try not to clown today. Today's actually a hair straightening video, and I'm going to be going out on a little date or whatever. So I need to straighten my hair and put this wig on, okay? Because I'm going out. So you guys know that I've done a heat straightening video before with the brush recently, and I did a giveaway, and then I did the comb first on a random comb that I got from Walmart. So a company reached out to me and they sent me their comb, the Riffney company, and they sent an extra one, so I'll be doing a giveaway so that you guys can see if it works or not. So this is some of the specs. Of course, it has an LCD display. It is ceramic. This one is ceramic, and it goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. 3 temperature controls, and then the rotating cord. It says less hair loss, less hair breakage, and less than 40-second fast heat up. So here's the packaging. They all come with directions, and I never use them. You say 450? Oh, okay. Enough said. Say no more. Say less. Oh, that's cute. Okay, it's gray and pink. This is cute. They're original. I see they put their name on it, and they have their original little packaging or whatever. Okay. This one looks a little different than the other hot comb that I tried. So, also, I'm going to be testing out. Also, I wanted to try this product because I literally have a date in 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So I wanted to see if this would cut down the time of actually doing a silk press. So we're gonna see if I can do this little silk press in 30 minutes or less using the brush. So now let me tell you guys the truth about smoking, okay? And hair. All of my videos, you guys know that I use heat protectant spray. This is my silkening heat protectant spray. This is what I use for all of my heat straightening videos, whether it's a silk press with the flat iron or whatever. So it's gonna cause a little smoking of the product, but it's not literally the product that's smoking. Like, it's not literally this that's smoking. Oh, look at the little cute blue light come through. It's not really these right here that are hot. It's the little things in the inside. So you're safe. You're safe with me. Let me stop playing. Safe with me. I won't tell your secrets. Let me stop playing. I forgot the rest of the lyrics. What is it? Just think of me as a page in your diary. Is that what you said? Okay. Just think of me as the pages in your diary. Girl, I said you gotta come through. Come on, E. Come on, girl. What even was she saying? What kind of run was that, girl? What vowel syllable was that? Okay, so we're gonna spray it some more. Wait a minute. Oh, but come through. I got a little nervous because I said, well, wait a minute, if I do burn my hair out, listen, it cannot be possible for you to burn your hair at 390 degrees. Like, I don't think it's possible. Oh, well, dog, girl, that's straight. It's straight everywhere but the bottom. All right. Now this is it. The truth and the light, girl. Come through. Woo! And we're rolling. That's how I feel, girl. I feel like I left a good job down in the city. Girl, you heard me. Ooh, you heard that? That's from the product. Let me get these roots. And y'all kill me softly talking about going through passes and stuff. Like, y'all grandmothers didn't go through all those passes with them old country stove, what you call them things, them country stove irons. Y'all need to cut it. It's silky. Look how it's falling out my hand though. Oh, come through. Honestly, without doing all this clowning, this is a very nice product. And this is actually better than the Kiss one. But I can imagine all of these products from China, they do good anyway. The ones, you know, they're always going to be cheaper at some stores like Walmart, but they have the more premium ones that are like $40, and they are worth it. I mean, it's silky. Girl, we did the thing. First, I thought I was going to mess up the church's money, but not so. Look at it. Ow, 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 ow. I'm extra, y'all. This is what he died for. I'm just playing. Lord, forgive me for playing, because I need to stop playing. Because I don't need you to mess up my money flow. We're doing real good over here. The Saints are doing real good. I cannot hype this product up. I'm just being 100% honest. Out of all the heat tools I've tried, this one is it. Like, this is silky, baby. Do it all so silky smooth. Just let your soul go, baby. All right. I just want y'all to get into this silk. Now, this is what you call silk. This is silk. Last time, I'm telling you. Now, you might need a flat iron or something to get into the roots, but shoot, this mug did all work. One pass. Product. I'm not doing it right. Wait a minute. I need to get them roots. There we go. I keep pressing it. It's annoying. Keep pressing the button. Let me get down in there. All right, so this is one side. This is where we are. Okay. Okay. Silky. It's legitimately silky. It's silky. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Did you see how it? Come through, girl. Come. Oh, it snapped back. We're doing 450 now. And there's a little smoke because it's on high temperature and I just sprayed a bunch of heat protectant spray. And you can see the second pass. Boom. All right, let's comb. Let's see. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. 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 Yes. Come through. So overall, actually, the fact that it went up to $350 was pretty good, and the fact that it did not burn my hair out with $450. But like I said, I did use heat protectant spray, and this is my handy dandy go-to. I've been using it for years. I don't have heat damage, so yeah. The only thing I would say is I wish it had more control as far as the settings. Like if I wanted to do 400 instead of 350, but I mean, you get 350. You get I think, what did I say? 300, 350, 400, then 450 or something like that. So no, 350, 390, and then 450. So that was fine. The auto shut down 60 minutes. Okay, that's irrelevant to me though. It says it quickly straightens hair without hurting hair. That's true. Anti-scalding design. I do love that, the fact that I didn't burn my scalp and like trying to touch it too much. I burnt myself because of my hand though. But the 2-in-1 hair curls and comb. I didn't try the curls because I'm just trying to do a straight look. And that's all it says that it does. And looks like it checked out. But I like the silkiness. Like it just, I don't know if it's just the combination of my favorite. I'm telling you, this is the GOAT for $6, $7 at Sally's or Walmart, Target. I'm telling you. All right, so let's talk about the giveaway. For the giveaway, I want you guys to just simply watch the video, make a comment, any kind of comment, emojis, comments, like actually, you know, saying something, and thumbs up this video. And okay, you have to share the video either on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Or I could just do that as a bonus. So to enter, just comment, like, subscribe, and share the video. And then, yeah, I don't know. So we'll just stick to that being a bonus. So the mandatory requirements is to thumbs up the video, watch the entire video, and comment. This is for the winner. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up the video and make sure you enter. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.